Hello everyone, in today's video we're gonna take a look at DIRECTV and YouTube TV to see which one is better. So I have here a list with different features. Now as you can see, if we take a look at overview, DIRECTV traditional satellite TV service offering the live TV channels via satellite. Now on YouTube it's internet-based live TV streaming service. At pricing, as you can see, both of them starts at $65 per month for basic packages. Now on DirecTV, premium channels cost extra. Now already, if you ask me, I'd choose YouTube TV because it has a lot of channels. As you can see, over 85 channels, including major network, sports, news, and entertainment. So based on the pricing and everything, YouTube TV is better. You only need a smart TV in order to use it, and that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.